Welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring one of the most refined and advanced luxury SUVs of the upcoming generation, the 2026 Volvo XC90. This new model represents a major step forward in Scandinavian design, modern technology, and premium comfort. In this detailed review, we'll take you through its exterior, interior, and performance, giving you a complete picture of what the new XC90 truly offers. The exterior of the 2026 Volvo XC90 brings a clean, futuristic, and aerodynamic look that stands out from every angle. Volvo has continued its signature Scandinavian design philosophy, combining simplicity with elegance. At the front, the updated Thor's Hammer LED headlights are sharper, brighter, and more expressive, creating a bold identity even from a distance. The larger and smoother grille adds to the SUV's confident stance while improving airflow and overall efficiency. The sculpted hood, refined bumper lines, and wider air intakes give the XC90 a more athletic posture. Moving to the side, the flush door handles, premium chrome accents, and large multi-spoke alloy wheels enhance the SUV's luxury profile. The roofline flows smoothly toward the rear, where redesigned vertical LED tail lamps create a signature Volvo look that instantly catches attention. The 2026 model also offers improved aerodynamics, reducing noise and increasing efficiency, making it one of the most elegant SUVs in its segment. Inside the XC90, luxury meets minimalism with the classic Scandinavian approach that Volvo is famous for. The cabin feels like a premium lounge with high-quality materials such as Nappa leather, natural wood trims, soft ambient lighting, and brushed aluminum touches. The seats are exceptionally comfortable, designed with advanced ergonomics, improved cushioning, ventilation, and massage functions to ensure every drive feels relaxing. The panoramic sunroof fills the interior with natural light, creating an open and spacious feel. The dashboard is clean and modern, featuring a new 12.9-inch portrait-style touchscreen that supports wireless, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Google built-in apps, and enhanced voice control. A fully digital instrument cluster adds to the futuristic feel, while the improved Bowers & Wilkins 14-speaker audio system delivers an immersive sound experience. The cabin insulation is significantly upgraded, offering a quiet and peaceful drive even at higher speeds, thanks to noise cancellation technology and stronger window sealing. With 3 rows of seating, the XC90 provides excellent space, making it a perfect family SUV. In terms of performance, the 2026 Volvo XC90 offers a combination of smooth power, advanced hybrid technology, and superior handling. The new plug-in hybrid system pairs a turbocharged 2.0-liter engine with a powerful electric motor, producing up to 455 horsepower. This allows the SUV to accelerate quickly while maintaining impressive fuel efficiency. The electric-only mode offers nearly 80 kilometers of quiet, emission-free driving, ideal for city commutes. The updated all-wheel drive system provides great stability on any road condition, whether wet, snowy, or uneven. The refined suspension system delivers a comfortable and controlled ride, absorbing bumps with ease and offering excellent balance during turns. Volvo remains a global leader in safety, and the 2026 XC90 is equipped with some of the most advanced safety technologies available. These include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, blind spot detection, rear cross-traffic alert, a 360-degree camera, and pedestrian and bicycle detection systems. All these features work together to ensure maximum safety for both the driver and passengers. Overall, the 2026 Volvo XC90 is one of the most advanced, luxurious, and safest SUVs coming to the market. It combines elegant design, premium materials, cutting-edge technology, and a powerful yet environmentally friendly hybrid system. Whether you're looking for comfort, practicality, performance, or top-tier safety, the XC90 offers everything in a perfectly balanced package. This SUV truly represents the future of Scandinavian luxury and sets a high standard for its competitors. If you enjoyed this detailed review and want more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and share your thoughts in the comments below. More exciting reviews and automotive content are coming your way, so stay tuned.